Mamma mia, AIOT went parabolic, just went parabolic, and I talked about it in this channel just a couple of days ago. And not only I talked about it in this channel, I also gave a signal for our beautiful, beautiful community from August 8th. Buy the breakout at the 46 cents on AIOT. All right, make sure you take at least 10%. All right, position size, if you have $100,000, put at least 10K on it and buy it. This is the picture signal. This is the buy zone, the 46 area. We had a stop loss, which I do on red, just to make sure that people always have risk management. And lo and behold, this just went bazookas. Bazookas. This is the only thing, right? The only thing, and this is the chart right now. We're looking at the real live chart. This was the entry. This is the only thing in the market that actually moved. And not only did it moved 4x, 320% in a week. Well, 11 days actually. 320% in 11 days. This is the only thing, the only asset in the entire crypto sphere right now that actually moved, and it has exploded. Okay, exploded. So, cook and smash the fucking like button. Come on, give it to me for the freaking algorithm. You know why? Because I was here first to tell you all about AIoT. I was here. And second of all, stop procrastinating and join the membership. Scan the QR code or link in the description and in the first comment. Check us out. You don't want to miss these kinds of moves on something that is moving parabolic. I know you're a ZBCN fan. I know you're a Casper fan. I know you are a Turbo fan. That's beautiful. Be a fan of any coin, but you don't want to miss ZBCN, sorry, AIoT huge move because you just don't want to. Why? Because it makes money. And while you're sitting, you're missing these types of opportunities. So mix. I know you want to be a hodler. I know you want to be, an investor. But hey, why leave money on the table? Scan the QR code, come join. And you know what? Just to help you, I'm going to give you a coupon code, 25% off. Check it out. Use it on the checkout. Easy peasy. And you'll be able to join and see these types of moves. Okay. It was all in the membership, all in the membership, all in the membership. Look at this. It's just here, here, and here. And eventually, the only thing that was left is just to count the money. Okay, now not all the trades are like this, right? Definitely we traded ETH, for example, huge move on ETH. Also we traded BTC, it didn't move that much, but we made good money because it was a big position. We traded XPR also. We traded Pengu last month. We traded many very strong movers. Okay, ZBCN definitely we traded May. This is the main mover of this month, though. Even though ETH was amazing trade, this is good. Now, after going on a rant about all this that you just can't miss, stop missing. Look, stop messing around. Stop messing around. Look at this. It's the coupon code. It's the 25% off. Stop wasting time just watching. Come join. I'm coming to you because I'm always inviting. Now it's time to just take action. What are you waiting for? I don't get it. I just don't get it. Okay, but hey, this is a chart. Okay, it already went parabolic. The one advice, because we are serious people, okay, we have risk management in mind. Okay, though all my videos are not financial advice, and they are for educational purposes and for entertainment, because we all want to have some laughs. The one thing you definitely do not want to do is just ape in. All right, do not buy it now. Even if it doubles tomorrow, it doesn't matter. From a risk to reward standpoint, this is bad. Okay, you just can't get into it right now knowing that it has such big risk of just imploding. The move might be over already. Okay, so pleading you, the one thing you don't want to do is just aping in right now. What do you want to do? Okay, is understanding that, hey, AIOT might want to go into a trade. Might is a big word because a lot of crypto coins, they just make one move and that's it, okay? And they're done. But let's say it does, okay? What you will need to see is a big correction, a sideways action for a while, and then in the future, boom, a continuation higher. That will be another trade you can take. For example, we traded something like this very successfully in the past on AGIX. Sorry, it's FET now. Okay, it's actually FET in the beginning of January 2023. You can see it's actually marked over here. Okay, somewhere. So in the beginning of 2023, look how small it looks right now, but it was actually here. Okay, so we traded a nice breakout for something that very similar to the AIOT move where it just broke out, okay, from this area over here. This was the breakout. Let's call it this one. Okay, it made, because we actually got in a bit earlier. Then it made a big move. Okay, it made, well, not as big as AIOT, right? Made 140% move, moved sideways for a couple of weeks. It actually maintained above the moving averages and bam, continued for another move. And later on in the year, kind of did the same thing while breaking out from here and kind of consolidating and continuing much, much, much higher. Okay, which again was a huge, huge move for, well, everything related to AI back in 2023 was amazing. Hey, but hey, we're in 2025, and look, this is what you want to be looking for: a sideways action. First of all, seeing AIOT holding, not giving everything back, because the one thing you don't want to be seeing, okay, is AIOT just, slamming down all the way back down to the entry. That would be bad. That happens. This is crypto. In crypto, you can get that, okay? But if you actually see that it, corrects somewhat, okay, even a 50% correction, it's okay, but it holds, okay. The shallower the correction, the better, by the way, okay. But and then it builds, and then it builds more, and then breaks out to new highs. Then you got yourself a winner for another trade. So be smart about your trading. Be smart about your trading. And if you don't know what to do, that's perfectly fine. That's why I say come and join us in the VIP. And if you are a six-figure account eh, or more, maybe even seven figures account, you stop doing everything. Stop everything now. Stop everything and join us, because our membership is peanuts for you. And not only that, it's peanuts monetary wise, you will be so much rewarded, but not by not making mistakes. We have a lot of people coming to us after they lost 500k, 100k, 200k, amazing amazing losses came to us. We help them not lose more and then start gaining back, not getting it back, but just trading professionally, trading well again, and B, and C, actually, if you're just a serious person, you can also come to Elite VIP, because that's where we talk, teach you on a daily basis on Telegram. We actually take you hand by hand, ladies and gentlemen. So come, give it a try. Also, as I said, we're going to give you a 25% coupon code. Use it. And of course, we take crypto if you want to. So send us an email. Again, you can see the email, by the way, here if you want to. And also, you will see it in the link in the description and in the first comment on this video. AIOT, huge, 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 huge gainer for us. We are so happy with this. And members, printing, that's what we want. When everyone else is kind of, oh, what's happening with the market? We want to be printing, okay? And we're going to print to the short side also in the bear market. We're just going to do it over and over again. This is the AIOT trade, making sure you see it, okay? We don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. And this was the signal. And you know what happened afterwards. Amazing, amazing moves. Come, join. We invite you. Till next time. No edge, no trade.